my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. First, let me thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your support. And if you're new here, well then welcome. And if you've been across my channel but you didn't subscribe, come on, join the family and hit that subscriber button along with the notification bell, and that's just going to notify you every time I upload a video. So I love making homemade pizza. Number one, it's affordable and it's so easy to make. Adults like it, but kids love it. So on your next pizza night, try making this pizza. You want to see what I mean? Then keep watching. So I have 1 bag of pizza dough and I slice 1 red onion. I'm going to saute 1 bag of spinach. I'm going to use some Parmesan cheese and some light shredded mozzarella cheese. I cooked and browned up 7 slices of turkey bacon. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and I chopped 3 garlic cloves. And I'm going to use some olive oil, 3/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of flour, a teaspoon of sugar, sea salt, and black pepper. So in the pan, I'm going to warm up some olive oil and I'm going to begin sauteing all of my spinach. Just go ahead and pile it all in the pan, and as you cook it down, it's going to wither down to almost nothing. Now that my spinach is completely cooked down, I'm going to remove it from the heat, and now I'm going to transfer it to some paper towels and remove any excess water or liquid. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set my spinach to the side. Over medium heat, I'm going to warm up some more olive oil and I'm going to begin caramelizing my onions. I'm going to continue to stir them on and off for about 10 minutes until they're tender and translucent. So after 10 minutes, as you can see, my onions are cooking down, and now I'm going to add some sugar and I'm going to continue to stir for another 5 minutes. So I'm just going to add just a little bit of water just to make sure that my onions don't stick, burn, or dry out. Now I'm ready to add the balsamic vinegar, and these are going to bring the onions to a whole other level. So the onions are done and ready to go, and now I'm going to get started on the white sauce. So over medium heat, I'm going to melt down some butter. Once melted, I'm going to add the flour and add the chopped garlic as well. Butter and flour creates a roux which is going to thicken the white sauce. Now I'm going to add and whisk in some milk. And I'm going to continue to mix until everything is combined really well. Now I'm going to season it up with some sea salt and some black pepper. I'm going to continue to stir, and then I'm going to bring it up to a slight boil. Now once it's boiled, I'm going to take it off the heat, and now I'm ready to check the consistency. Once I can run my finger across the spoon and it stays separated, that means it's perfect. Now I'm just going to drizzle just a little bit of olive oil in my cast iron skillet, and I'm just going to add the dough using my fingers to spread the dough evenly along the bottom of the skillet. So now it's time to make the pizza. So first I'm going to add the white sauce and I'm going to spread it evenly on the bottom of the dough. I'm going to take my Parmesan cheese and I'm going to add it on top. And now it's time for the mozzarella cheese, and add as much as you want. There is no exact measurement. And now it's time to add the sauteed spinach that we made earlier. Now here comes the browned up crispy turkey bacon bits that I made earlier. You can use regular bacon, the choice is yours. And in my opinion, I think the caramelized onions is the star of this show. They're sweet and they're so delicious. And I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit more Parmesan and mozzarella cheese on top. I've preheated my oven at 450 degrees and I'm going to bake it off for 8 to 12 minutes. And yeah, we are all done. I love making pizzas in cast iron skillets. It's so easy and it's so convenient. So I'm just going to take it out the skillet and put it on a chopping board and begin cutting slices. It's a little bit different than your average pizza, but trust me, it is just as good. And that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. That will help me out a lot. If you know somebody that loves pizza, sharing is caring, let them know. And if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking my face somewhere over here or the subscriber button down below along with the notification bell just to let you know every time I upload a video. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box over there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.